Ashgard is an highest pranic vegetable. From earlier times to recent times, ashgard is used to gain its nutritional benefits. Even in Ayurvedic system of medicine, it is recognized for its medical properties. So, let us look into using a ashgard in our daily life to get a maximum benefits out of it. Hello everyone, welcome to Find Out. Ashgard, which is also called as winter melon, it belongs to gourd family. So other vegetables coming under this family include bottle gourd, ridge gourd, snake gourd, sponge gourd, bitter gourd, and etc. Ashgard is well known in our rituals too. For example, if we build a new house, we hang it in front of the house because it is believed that it works by trapping a negative energy by creating a positive vibration. This same mechanism works in our body too. Without a delay, we will go and look into the nutritional source of it. Ashgard contains 96% of water and it is rich in fibers and has antioxidants like carotenoids and flavonoids, which greatly strengthen our immune system and also believed to prevent a cell damage in specific conditions like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. There are many vitamins and minerals in it. Some of are like phosphorus, iron, thiamine, niacin, vitamin C, etc. Ways of using ashgard. We can use it by preparing variety of dishes out of it, but we should eat it raw to get its maximum energy. Uses of ashgard. Traditional Ayurvedic system recommends using it for its properties like natural diuretic, laxative, and also has aphrodisiac property. So, what is its natural diuretic property? Mainly for people who are having high blood pressure, it removes excess sodium from the body in the form of urine, thereby normalizing the sodium levels. Natural laxative. It helps a person to ease in emptying their bowels, especially release constipation problems. Then the aphrodisiac property. It promotes healthy sex life in an individual naturally. Other uses of ashgard include it mainly helps in improving the digestion problems and aids with digestion. It greatly increases the energy levels, strengthening the mind, treating a mental illness, and decreasing causes of disease. It also enhances intellectual capabilities, which is one of its Ayurvedic property, by having a 1 glass of ashgard juice every morning. So, how to prepare a ashgard juice? Simply just peel off the skin by removing the seed part. Now, the section obtained is cut into pieces and grinded. Now, it is filtered to get a juice. It is recommended to consume it in empty stomach in the morning. Note to remember, since ashgard gives cooling effect in colder days or individuals having cold, asthma or sinusitis can consume juice by adding pinch of black pepper powder and tablespoon of honey to neutralize its natural cooling effect without altering or changing its nutritional value. Few points to know before using it are like always opt for a fresh vegetable. And since we all know anything overdose is bad for the system, even though it contains vitamins and minerals, don't consume it at overdoses. 1 glass a day is enough to get a maximum benefits out of it. Within a weeks of using ashgard juice, we will start seeing the difference in our energy levels greatly. And about storage, as a vegetable, it can be stored for months. If it is cut, it can be stored in refrigerator for 5 days. And there are many study reports conducted on the uses of ashgard. I would like to give you one such report which was done in 1995. This is by Animal Study of Jiangsu Journal of Agricultural Sciences. This proves that Ashgard works by protecting the kidney, which was tested in rats with a kidney damage. And there are several other studies showing the health benefits of Ashgard. Now, this is the brief information about the vegetable Ashgard. Hope you found it interesting and useful. If yes, then please hit the like button and support us by subscribing to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get instant updates about our next video. Thank you for watching.